Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Dhaniya Patti Chutney. I have taken Dhaniya Patti, about 100 grams, 2 tomatoes, burnt up. I have burnt the tomatoes, some garlic pods and one big green chili. I am going to grind all this and make the Dhaniya Patti chutney. It will be very tasty to eat. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe. So come on, let us start making the chutney. First of all, I will put the Dhaniya Patti on the grinding stone. Put the chili and the garlic pods. First I will grind this. I burnt the tomatoes. I will peel this tomato. Now I will put the tomato and grind it. Now I'll grind the tomatoes along with the Dhaniya Patti. The chutney is ground. Now I'll take it out from the stone. Now I will mix half teaspoon mustard oil, and some salt to taste. Dhaniya Patti chutney is ready to be eaten. Now it's winter time and it's nice to eat chutneys. How lovely the chutney is looking. Thanks for watching my video.